Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. As you may know, for those who recently joined my channel and you're not sure if that's my name, that is my name. Thank you so much for joining my platform, and please note that you're welcome to stay here and you should stay here for engaging with me in the comment section. I highly appreciate it. Today is another day we give God thanks and praise, and you know that I'm going to be showing you what's going on, and I'm not too sure what mommy is going to cook. Yes, I will show you that, because guess what? I understand from the comment section y'all love how my mother cooks, and she cooks so well. And so thank you so much for leaving such amazing reviews about how she cooked, especially that egg stew. Let me tell you something. It was good, and I need some more. Actually, that would work well with some pressed fried plantains. Yes, yes, mother's knows best. Listen to Anyway, let's go, because if I stay here, I laugh in front of you guys. But continue to do what you're doing. Stay focused, stay blessed, and continue to support one another and uplift one another in prayers, because honeys and gents, we do need that. Thank you for your love. It is a very dull weather today. Yes, rain. It's not that cold though, but you gotta be prepared. And I couldn't find my little small OB umbrella, so I've got one on mommy house and land. It's not really my style, to be fair, but yeah, it will shelter us from the storm. Sometimes I think that I'm recording a thing. I hope not, but because today I feel I would have a chill vibe. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, the weather is not weathering right now, to be honest, right? Honestly, yeah, you need to sort yourself out. Like, if I'm recording something, it needs to be on point. I can't look at your face. She's so gorgeous. No, laughing is really, really good, guys. No. We're having this conversation about pedicure.
Because your feet, your foot support your body.
I understand that half of the time in the winter my feet is in the shoe, so I haven't got that socks. But I may get a pedicure done tomorrow.
You think maybe you find one man?
I'll find a man. Oh my God, not the man.
Your feet,
yes.
Your feet is this. Okay,
imagine the foot is not footing. It's hardly. It's very rough.
The man for the allotment. Allot
80%.
See the feet sexy.
Ooh, do they now? Oh my God. It will be in there. Oh my God. What do you want me to say?
When they see the feet, it's beautiful. So the name is pink.
I want to get a pedicure done.
Doesn't matter if you're red or green, but this soft. Oh, the name is, oh my God, like butter.
When these are done, I'm hooking. I'm happy. That's the most important thing. It's a bit quiet today.
Strawberry Hill.
Yeah, it's a bit quieter on the train today, which is really, really good.
Calling at Putney, Richmond, Twickenham, and Strawberry Hill. The next station is Putney.
It's so quiet today. I really love it. Ooh. Friday. Sorry, I'm just walking. How are you?
How about you?
I'm okay.
Got some cinnamon for you.
And I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be famous out here in case you get the revenue. Yes. Yeah, so that's it really, and it's just mainly cozy lifestyle. Pumpkin spice, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, you will see a lot of that as well on my videos.
This very fun to look
Yeah, cool.
Jack cinnamon.
Yes, please. No, that's okay. With creaming me up and all that kind of stuff. Oh my God. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. You're looking gorgeous, so say hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much. I try to look gorgeous, yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you. Bye. Okay, Will. Bye. It's Friday. We're going to have a vibes around here. I'm looking looking forward to having dinner because my journey coming home was absolutely a nightmare. When I was going, it was perfectly fine. There's absolutely like nothing to moan about. And then it's like the trains are just not training these days. And then when the first one is cancelled and everything is cancelled, then you start thinking, what's going to happen at the second train station? It was a nightmare. Plus, the wind is winding out there. Plus, it's just, everything is just so miserable. It's crazy. And then, I'm not being funny, but it does create a little bit of mood swing. Yes, because afterwards, I don't feel like talking to anyone anymore until I get home. But can I just say, oh, my friend, like Keisha, yeah, I keep saying friend. It's not friend, guys. When I said friend, forget that. Like, my sister, she is going to be on that phone with me all the way through. Where are you? How far? Like, she doesn't even live here, but she gets so familiar with the location, the places, and she's getting, like, you know, into one when I said I'm here. So we've got to shout out our friends, the ones that are there for us, the ones that are going to be like, how far are you? Are you okay? Are you home now? Like, that kind of stuff. Not someone that you just said, yeah, actually, my train is canceled. You don't even hear about it. It even says, hey, is your train back? Nothing. And of course, I have other more friends as well that are not very much on the social medias, but they're more intense. So let's give a shout out to our friends, no? Our friends that check in on us, our friends that actually care about our journey and stuff like that, whether it's spiritual journey, whether it's the in the world kind of journey. Let's care. Let's care and shout them out. I'm exhausted, and mommy going to have to cut those dumplings because I'm not cutting them. No, I'm not. Natural coconut milk, 5 coconuts. The coconut, they were very, very small, so have to use 5. But they were very good, excellent, marvelous. I get them in Sainsbury. Sainsbury sell good coconut. Look at my wonderful coconut. Look at the cream. Beautiful. Oh, is that your coconut there? Coconut milk?
5.
5?
Coconut.
Oh my god.
Putting this in here, Lord. All my
Oh, that looks so good. Absolutely.
Have to.
What are you cooking?
Salt mackerel.
That's just what it's called, salt mackerel.
Huh? Oh. Run down, Salt Mackerel Run Dung. Tanya, nobody come in with your train problem. You understand me?
Listen, my journey was horrible.
I know. Just make this salty a bit to see the custard around here.
I see. Oh
Even second on the butter.
Not the custard.
Just one, this stick one.
God.
Saute properly before I put my salt mackerel.
Okay.
And some banana and come in
Oh,
dumpling.
yeah, well, let's show them love the subscriber. They love how you cook. Or my family. They're not even subscribers. They're family. Oh,
Here it is.
that looks so good.
Banana soft too.
Got some yam there.
Yes. Lots of things. Omelet dumpling. Potato, me have potato too. Not sweet potato though.
I love sweet potato. The only thing you don't get.
Honey, our sweet potato is too expensive.
Okay.
So they're not selling it anymore.
But you got platinum card. It is, mommy's salt mackerel cleaned up already and everything. So yeah, that's gonna be dinner. Definitely show you how we roll. The different vibes that you do feel like, and you take the buses into central London every day. Like my mom traveled into central, she takes the bus because she's not really a train person, she's not a tube person or anything. When she's coming home or she comes home in the night, it's a different vibe. Depression. Did you hear she said it's depression? But it's like the trains, they, because you're out all day, and let me tell you something, during the course of the day the hair isn't hairing anymore, so I don't really care what's going on. Do you know what I mean? It's time to kind of reset, get myself sorted out, because I'm gonna have dinner. Salt Mackerel Run Down. Yeah, that's how mother roll. Do you think that I am appropriate to be recording like this?
Of course, be yourself.
I am being myself.
Yes.
Have you not seen that the hair is different?
Yes, Tanya. You go to work and you just come home, and with all the stress, all the train stress,
Yeah.
What do you expect?
Oh my God, it's terrible out there.
I know, Tanya.
It's
Welcome to the club.
It's a lot of wind out there. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. You are more than welcome to stay here. So you obviously would have seen my journeys all the time. I'm going, I'm coming to work and from work. And do remember that even if you're not, these people are not even me. If you haven't tried a pumpkin spice caramel vanilla whipped cream latte or caramel whatever, you need to do that for the autumn, because I'm telling you. And then if they're making it for you, have a good relationship with the barista, no? Because what you don't want is for them to just make it anyhow because you said pumpkin spice latte. So you need to put your foot down, because you need to know that you want it to be full of love and every single thing, okay? So don't just stand there and say pumpkin spice latte. They need to put love into it. Caramel, whipped cream, you name it, on top. Because if they don't do it good, I'm going to talk about it. But obviously, I've got a good relationship with the barista, so they basically make it for me. So cool. So thank you so much, and I hope you will try that for the autumn, because I say so. Bubbling up nicely though, mommy. Are we adding in the salt mackerel now? So what we do, or well, I'm just here to eat and taste and eat. Obviously, is allowed your coconut milk to cook out properly, right? Thoroughly. We don't just put it in the pot and then add everything in there. We need to ensure that it is cooked out. And this is salt mackerel, right? So it's a bit salty already, so you need to be careful of the amount of salt that you need to add in there afterwards. So just taste your pot, guys, for your family, honestly. That looks so good, no? That looks so good.
The custard. There's the custard second on the bottom. See?
Oh, you've got okra in there as well.
So just make this skim it out nicely.
Food is sharing out. Because, you know, one had to reset himself and stuff like that. I tend to naturally like to look pretty much normal and catch and cool in the house as well, and clean, of course. So yeah, because I don't know when Mr. Right can be stopping by, you know what I'm saying? Knocking on the door. Just joking. Dinner is served. Salt mackerel run down. We've got some okra here, bananas, and dumpling. Mine is cut up because I ain't got time to cut up anything. And as much as I'm an adult, well, baby adult, mother is gonna cut that up for me. Because you know, mother is always a mother now. So I'm gonna wheel the dumplings and the. Sorry, did I get yam? Did I get any yam?
The yam?
Oh yeah, don't worry about it. It's fine. I'm just gonna wheel.
The banana you should eat.
I'm gonna wheel. Because mommy didn't put didn't put any yam in my plate, you know. She's not making it. I'm gonna wheel the dumpling and the bananas in the gravy, you know, the custard and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, dinner is served. Okay. I'm gonna have dinner right now, which is my salt mackerel rundown and my food, hard food, boiled bananas, and of course some dumplings. So that's what I'm gonna have, and just gonna relax and things like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my videos, and for those who click the like button, and for continuing to engage with me in the comment sections. I mean, my videos may start off like a little bit boring in the sense that, oh yeah, she's going to work again. Oh God, she's just gonna show us when she's on the train. Oh God, look at that. God, he knows. But I always have something a little bit excited in the evening. Mom said thank you guys so much for your compliments on her cooking, and she appreciates it. And if I ever take long to respond or to say thank you guys, please bear with me. But I work full time, and so not all the time I see the comments, not all the time I'm able to respond straight away, but whenever I'm off, I will definitely respond to you guys. Continue to do what you're doing. Stay blessed, support one another, and tell someone, like, you can tell someone else about each other's channels, no, and stuff like that. Give a little bit of recommendation and stuff like that. I strongly believe in support, love, and unity, and where there is unity, there is strength, and we need a strong community. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you anymore, but I do hope you enjoyed this video. And as we stepped in to the weekend, let's give God thanks and praise at all times. And I am happy to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and continue to engage with me in the comment section, because my Lord said, once you join here, you stay here. Until next time, goodbye.